crypto influencers saying that you can look at crypto to diversify your asset class. You have an investment portfolio, look at crypto and NFT and diversifying your asset class.
Right.
So how reliable do you think it is as far as diversification of asset class goes?
Okay, again, what if you define NFT as an asset class, you can diversify, yes. If you define crypto as an asset class, then again, which ones do you need to really do it? That is very important. See, diversity comes through knowledge again. It's been there for hundreds of years. Our parents, our grandparents always tell us, don't put all your eggs in one basket,
Yeah.
right? We know the risk if it's in one basket. If it's in 12 different baskets, it's safer. But if it's in one basket, the risk is much more. Now, oh yes, even the reward could be much more also on the other side, but the risk is definitely much more. Suppose I have a lakh of rupees. Will I put it all in one stock? The chances are no. I'll put it in 5, 6, or maybe 10 stocks, or whatever. That's the stock market.
You got a mutual fund which is putting in like 100 stocks. Yeah.
A mutual fund is exactly a risk mitigation strategy. So the same thing whether when you talk about NFTs and cryptos, I think cryptos are a great investment if you know which ones and how to really approach them. And I know that for sure because I have seen something, for example, a crypto which was worth zero point 0.01 cents as a listing price. If that becomes 0.1 cent, that is 1,000% increase. A Bitcoin will never move that way. 0.01 may mean if it is a good product, if it's a good project, and that is how everything is about this, about being aware, and that's not very difficult. I actually take classes on making people aware of what to read, how to read the white papers. It's just very simple. Make them understand, make them aware, and then the rest you're good. You're yourself good doing it. You don't need any advice beyond that. So when we do risk, basically you hedge your risks. I would say in out of NFTs and crypto, buy better crypto. NFTs may or may not have the same value. Some of whatever the NFT today, the current lot in India don't have much value. They're good for collections, yes. If you're an Amitabh Bachchan fan, you've collected his father's poetry. Now what? I mean, are you going to recite the same poetry? That's all available on the net anyway. You can recite it. So let's figure out what is the real asset now, and then small coins, small projects, but very strong projects are the long term projects. That's where I believe, and there are many of them. You can diversify, make them into buckets. You have a bucket of like blue chip buckets, then you have say the metaverse bucket, then you can have the DeFi buckets. Make buckets and then decide where you would like to invest. And then